Hey guys, what's up? Now I know most of you, most of you would have watched the movie Deadpool by now, and you all have all your thoughts and things to say about the movie. So yeah, we too watched the movie, and now we sort of found a few, you can't say mistakes, but sort of lessons that the second Deadpool movie, which will be in 2017, has to learn from. Now, when we consider Deadpool the movie has been made with only a budget of $58 million, which is actually quite low for a superhero movie. And even though it has been made with that amount of money, when it was released, it has made $673 million at the box office and broken so many records. Like, it has passed like so many movies, considering with the amount it was made from. Now, without further ado, we are going to learn. I'm just going to tell you about 6 lessons that Deadpool 2 must learn from the first movie. At number 6, don't put so many jokes in the trailer. Now, this is not really a big problem when you go to consider it, but for hardcore fans, like there are hardcore fans, people really like the same jokes were used in the movie as well, and that sort of gave the humor part a sort of fault in it, and people weren't really smiling at the jokes. Then at number 5, get a better villain. So Deadpool had Ajax, and Ajax was good, right? He provided some form of fighting which actually gave the movie quite a lot of violence and made it interesting, but Ajax is not really the villain that people were expecting to see in the movie. People wanted to see the villain Taskmaster or any other iconic villain in the Deadpool series, in the comic series. I'm probably sure you guys would know if you all have read the Deadpool comics. And at number 4, we have a less interesting plot. At number 4, what the movie Deadpool was missing was an interesting plot. The story was okay, however the plot was basic and not that we really needed those flashback scenes. So for the next installment, people and hardcore fans expect a sort of a spiced up plot. At number 3, give the secondary characters more to do. TJ Miller is great as Weasel, but the movie doesn't really do anything to cement Deadpool and Weasel's relationship. Deadpool 2 needs to focus on everyone and not just only Deadpool. At number 2, more X-Men. We understand that the movie didn't have the budget to bring in more X-Men. However, since the first movie did so well, we would love to see Wolverine or some other X-Men character make their way into the sequel. And guys, at number 1, Cable and the X-Force. In case you don't know who Cable is, let me explain. Cable is the badass son of Cyclops and Jean Grey's clone. Although he was born in the present, he was sent to the future and raised as a superpowered warrior whose sole purpose was to return to the past and prevent the apocalyptic future he was raised in from ever happening. And yes, when we say apocalyptic future, it was created by Apocalypse, sorry. And so basically, if you have read the Deadpool comics, you probably know who Cable is. And and now from the Deadpool 2 movie should launch the X-Force movie. And guys, I won't get into detail about the X-Force movie, just if you guys have read the comics, you probably know what the X-Force is. So basically, we hope that Deadpool 2 paves the way for an X-Force movie. And guys, now we are at the end of the video, so thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.